Getting these calls that there's some other girl and I should cross check my own result and my own roll number.
Yes, after the UPSC results came out, these two Akanshas have been claiming that their rank is 301. So, who is the real Akansha Singh with rank 301?
I am Akansha Singh, who is ranked 301.
हाँ, रैंक है 301 एंड रोल नंबर जो भी चल रहा है वही है 865794।
Are you saying somebody impersonated you?
Yeah, that seems the case.
बहुत ज्यादा पॉपुलैरिटी मिल गई है अचानक से, इस वजह से बहुत लोग यूज कर रहे हैं इस चीज का फायदा उठा रहे हैं।
Basically, this video started making the rounds where Akansha from Ara, Bihar said she secured UPSC rank 301.
यूपीएससी में 301 रैंक मिला।
It was very overwhelming because everybody started asking me, are there two Akanshas or is this your rank? I wanted to be, just enjoy the moment. But it turned out to be something else.
सुबह से हुए जा रहा है ये सब चीज, कॉल्स आ रहे हैं कि क्या सच है क्या झूठ है।
Both said they were shocked when they came across reports and social media posts that appeared to show the other Akansha claiming their rank. But
I also saw that there is some another Akansha Singh on the list. Her rank is 454. Do you think that it's possible that she maybe got confused?
But both claim that the roll number mentioned against rank 301 is theirs and their admit card shows the same.
I got hold of some of the documents that have been shared. And they have my roll number and her photo on that. So that was something that I was not expecting because it is basically photoshopping sort of thing.
एंड मैं सारे क्लेम्स को डिनाई करती हूँ।
Akansha Singh from Ara, Bihar is the granddaughter of slain Brahmeshwar Mukhia, the chief of the now disbanded Ranveer Sena, which was involved in caste conflicts in the 1990s.
बाबा का नाम जुड़ गया है मेरे, इस वजह से लोग इसको वायरल कर रहे हैं और बहुत सारे फेक क्लेम्स कर रहे हैं।
To which Akansha from Ghazipur, UP said,
I belong to a very normal middle class family. My father is in Air Force and I am just a doctor. So we have no clue about this girl.
But for both candidates, the controversy has put a dampener on their celebrations after years of preparation. Unless one of them did not prepare at all.
I'm a gynecologist by my profession and I've done that from AIIMS Patna, and after that I began, it finished in 2023. So I began my preparation after that in 2023.
रिजल्ट आया तो ऑफकोर्स बहुत खुश थी, सेटिस्फाइड नहीं थी क्योंकि रैंक 301 था, मुझे IFS चाहिए था।
The Union Public Service Commission exam is India's premier and highly competitive exam used to recruit officers into services like the IAS, IPS and IFS. Now both candidates say they are frustrated at having to prove their claim.
Now we are getting a congratulations along with a verification message. So it feels very weird that I have to prove that I am Akansha Singh who is ranked 301.
मैं बहुत खुश थी और अभी बहुत फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हूँ, इरिटेटेड हूँ, इनफैक्ट समझ में नहीं आ रहा कैसे रिएक्ट करूँ।
While there is still no clear resolution, both say they hope UPSC will soon clarify the situation.
More.